does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah, I'm disgusted with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
Cheerio. Say thank you. You're welcome. Guys, there's stuff on the floor. There's a bottle over there. Maddie, let's go, baby. Let's go. My house is trash again. All right, you ready? What's in your container? Your breakfast? Your breakfast? You didn't eat all your breakfast? No. Okay. All right, you ready to go? Put your dress down. Put your dress down. All right, let's go, Maddie. No, we're not going out there. Oh, yeah, we can, because the car is outside. Turn off the bathroom light, Jackson. Good morning.
Good morning.
Where's Mommy's shoe? Someone grab my shoe. You gonna grab my shoe for me, baby? I don't want those ugly things.
Mommy, you don't don't want these?
No. The picture.
That's mine.
Oh, I have to sign? Thank you. Can you help me?
Hmm?
Can you help me?
With the shoes?
Yeah.
Nobody's helping too.
Oh, thank you, man. The tongue.
Huh? Where?
The tongue.
Right here?
Yeah, pull it up.
That's me. No.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you did that lady.
Huh? You did that one.
All right. Thank you, guys. Pull it.
That's you said.
All right.
Your shoe doesn't look tight.
All right. Let's go. Come on. Grab your backpack.
No, it's too sorry.
Are you gonna do Jackson's book in the car?
Too sorry.
Okay, Miss Destiny. I'm asking a question.
I said yes, I will. But he has the same book.
Oh my Lord.
He has the same book, Mommy.
You just boss me around so much.
didn't need book today.
Justin just needs to know what the book's about.
Sorry. Sorry.
Justin, I'm not trying to like help. I'm trying to help you with a bunch of books.
In the first picture.
I don't want to read.
Gonna have a good day?
Yeah.
Gonna have a good day? Gonna have a good day? Gonna have a good day? All right, get your backpack. Let's go. Let's go, Maddie. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I just wanted to hop on here and tell you guys good morning before the morning get away from me. It's already 11:27. My kids have parent-teacher conference today, so they get off half day. So I have to go pick them up right about maybe next 10 minutes. I have to go pick them up, but their parent-teacher doesn't. The parent-teacher conference doesn't start until 1:45. That's my first one, and then after that, I have the twins and Destiny, because the twins and Destiny are all in the same class. But that should be fun, right? Parent-teacher conference. So I tried to clean my closet today, but it just. Have you ever had so much space that you're just like overwhelmed? That is me. Because coming from a really small apartment, I think our apartment was like 1,000 square feet, to double that. So I get overwhelmed easily, and I have to take it in small doses, if that makes any sense. But I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Sorry I'm late.
All right, let's pray together,
Okay.
and we will. Into your God.
Sure.
Sure. Dear Father, we give you this day. We thank you for your love. We thank you for your wife's care. We thank you that you give us opportunities to work with Jaxson, and we pray that you will help us to help him be the best that he can be. We thank you for your love and your grace. In your name I pray.
Amen.
He's doing fine.
No.
His memory verses, he knows them. His reading, writing, and speaking is wonderful.
Okay.
Math is great.
Okay.
We're doing some end of the year testing right now before we start the getting ready for the next grade lessons.
Okay.
And he's doing very well with that.
Okay.
Science was last semester. We're starting social studies. He did fine with that.
Okay.
The book, we did a lot of activities in class, but then this was a project-based learning without tests. So he saw all those projects and he did fine with those.
Okay.
Art and music is fine. PE is fine. Handwriting is fine. Reading is great. Spelling is wonderful. He knows the spelling words every time. He's the biggest helper. He's the best kid. I don't know what you want me to tell you. If somebody drops their crayons, he's going to pick them up. If somebody leaves their stuff in the middle of the floor, he puts it away for them. I mean, he's a great kid.
Yes. Yes.
Any questions?
No.
Concerns?
No.
Things I need to do different?
No.
So, he's a great kid.
He is.
You have, if I could have 13 Jacksons, I would be
13
so
Jacksons.
happy. But I don't, so we'll just go with we need diversity. But he is a treasure to have in the classroom. There's not enough that I can say about how good he is and how he's an asset to the classroom. He does what he's supposed to do. He finds something to do if he doesn't have something to do. And he's about as low maintenance as it comes. So
we're done.
We're done. Unless you
No.
have something, a bombshell you want to drop on me.
No.
They're registered for next year, right?
Jaxson is. That's as far as I got because it's such a tedious process of, registering everyone. But I registered Jaxson because if anyone else is coming back, Jaxson is.
Wonderful.
So.
He's a joy.
Thank you.
He's the highlight of the moment. He's the highlight of the day. It's great to have him in the classroom. And I can't tell you how great it is to have him.
Okay. Well, moving on.
Alrighty.
Thank
Have fun
you.
with the rest of yours.
I will.
Have a great afternoon.
You do the same.
Hello.
How are you?
You alright?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, let's do this.
That's Destiny, Roberto.
Okay,
we'll
let's
start with her.
Start with Destiny.
So,
A, B, a C. Wow.
yeah. So,
Thanks.
she is still a really good student.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want that C to make. I don't want that C to shock you or to make her feel bad. But, because social studies was a little rough for everybody. So, and I'm trying, or I've been trying a few different things to hopefully make it easier for everybody, and like the study guides and that kind of stuff. So I just want her to also to continually do good in the other classes because when I looked at her GPA, I noticed she's going down. a little bit each time, and I'm like, oh, Destiny, no. But she still does really well, and she keeps. I don't really like having her and Jason sitting next to each other, but I don't really have any other place because she kind of keeps him in line sometimes.
She does.
but because she pretty much keeps to herself at least while in class, and but they still every once in a while they're like the brother and sister thing. So, but anyways, next one I guess is Jason.
Let's see. Oh, I'm not surprised. Not surprised at all. But he's come a long way.
Yeah, there are some areas where he has really, I've seen improvement in him, like the math, and he still really struggles in reading, but he has improved a good bit. And what was the other one? Spelling, still struggles in spelling too, but has improved. So I think that's good, especially in the math. He's improved a lot. I mean, the grade doesn't necessarily show that because with him, I've noticed he just wants to get his work done. He doesn't care. He doesn't care what it looks like.
That's so Jason.
Yeah.
He just want it over with and done.
Exactly, and then he'll get frustrated when I give something back to him, and I'm like, dude, I want you to really try on this and to do your best because I'll tell him this is not your best work, and I know it's not. And he's still going to the tutor. He gets so frustrated with her.
He does
because she gets on him about that kind of stuff. He's like, I don't know why.
He's just lazy.
Right. Well, he has a lazy attitude about it, and he'll come back and be like, I don't know why she says I'm not trying. I said, Jason, because you just want to leave. You're not trying.
He's not. He's not. I can tell you that much. Jason likes to rush through things and be done, and he doesn't want to redo anything. You can't tell him that he's wrong because he thinks he knows everything.
Oh,
so.
yeah, he thinks he's right all the time.
Yeah.
And here's Jordan.
Oh Lord. It's not too bad either.
With Jordan, at least when it comes to remembering things, I feel like he remembers things a lot better than Jason does. He has quite a memory on him about certain things.
Certain things, yes. Only something that interests him. That's it.
Right. Yeah. And same thing, still going to tutor, still making strides. I wish he would. He tries though.
He does try.
As where Jason could just have like I don't really care attitude about it. Jordan does try, and so he has improved. I just wish there was more improvement because in the math he's still pretty far behind.
He is.
In the math, and so I think he flip flops. He goes and sees her for math and reading. So, which reading he's gotten better at. It's just like a comprehension thing. Like he's a pretty good reader, whereas Jason is not so much. But so I appreciate that he actually tries, with his classwork. It's just with Jordan studying, doing homework. I say to him all the time, Jordan, what do you do when you go home?
Nothing. He hides out in his room.
Yeah, that's what they said. He just locks himself in his bedroom. And
he hides out over there. He's like, Jordan, do you have homework? No. 2 days later, this is due. Where is it?
Yeah. So I'm like, Jordan, it was like last week. I was like, Jordan, you got like 6 things in math that you got to make up. So he sat there and he cranked them out pretty well. I said, but Jordan, you wouldn't have to do that if you just did it when I tell you to do it at home. And so I'm hoping he, gets on it there because for a while there, and still I'm assigning homework pretty consistently. So as long as he stays on top of it, doesn't get behind, I think he'll be okay. Because once we do a lesson, I don't know what it is, but it's like he forgets whatever we were doing. Once we're on to the next thing, he's like, I don't need that anymore. So, and that's been a struggle with the math especially, so that's why he's still going, because with the just like simple things, he'll forget how to divide like every other day. I'm like, Jordan, we just did this.
It's frustrating. It's really frustrating.
It can be. And the other thing with him is he's so distractible. And it's not usually something that somebody else is doing, unless it's Jason. Jason, I've had brothers, but oh my gosh, they get on each other's nerves. He'll distract himself, and he'll distract. I mean, that's the truth. He'll get doing whatever's going on in his mind.
We laugh at him at home because he's just, I don't know what's wrong with him. I seriously don't know what's wrong with him. He just is, I don't know. He's just a special child. I don't know what to tell you.
So, and I do mind that, but I would prefer him being a distraction to himself than being them to others, which he has been, or at least seem to focus better, and at least get it done.
I feel for you. I seriously do. I seriously feel for you because he's a handful. He is.
He can be, but at least he's a good kid. Like, he's a nice kid.
He is, but he does have a lot of annoying tendencies. Just like
he'll talk to me about random things. Like, why are you even thinking of this? I don't understand. But anyways, what outdoor school? Have the kids talked to you about
Oh
that?
yes, we've been. I don't know much about it, and I'm just like, I don't know. For me, it's just them being away from me because they've never been away from me.
Right.
So that's just my fear of, I don't know what they're up to, and that's just my thing. Other than that, Destiny really wants to go.
Okay. So,
Okay, so turn that off. Thank you. So, turn it off. First time getting a C. How you feel? Her first time getting a C.
I'm going.
Her first time getting anything less than an A. You're gonna bring it up? You're gonna bring it up?
Yes.
How you gonna do that?
Because in social studies, the sheets he gives us after the lessons, I'm doing really good on it.
High five. High five. That's my girl. That is my girl. Mr. Jackson, your teacher said that you are perfect. Like, she could clown you. She would. Amazing. High five. Jason. Oh, Jordan. Jordan. The man of the hour. So, your teacher said that you are very distracted. You get distracted easily. But the problem is, it's not that you get distracted and you distract your own self. It's that you distract other people. Not cool. We got to cut that out. You hear me?
Yes.
I mean, we can't talk at all whatsoever. Meaning that if it's not recess and you're not outside playing, I do not want you to be talking to anyone whatsoever. No one. And not even to ask for an eraser. I don't want you to say nothing. We're going to bring up them grades. If it's the last thing we do, we're going to bring up them grades. Do you understand me?
Yes.
What do you want? Okay, we'll get that in a second. If it's the last thing we do, we're going to bring up them grades. Jason,
Yeah?
where are you? Go over there, pretend to play with the wall. Pretend to play with the wall. You, mister, you both, the twins have both the same grades. You made some improvement. Excuse me. You made some improvement, but it's still not good. You gets frustrated a lot. I don't know what you're getting frustrated about. You do the same thing that you do at home. When you do something and it's wrong and we try to correct you, act like you have an attitude. We need to cut that out. Do you understand me? You need to learn to take correction. You might feel like you're Mr. Know-it-all and everything that you do is perfect. No. No. There's always room for improvement. Do you look at me when I'm speaking to you? There's always room for improvement. Always room for improvement. Accept criticism and apply it to your work. That's the only way you're going to be successful. You can't just be like, well, whatever, I did my best and that's it. No. If someone else tells you there's a better way to do something, you either listen to them and apply it, and if it doesn't work, then you move on to something else. But you can't come back and just be like, hey, young lady, I'm speaking. You can't just be like, just be giving them attitude. And that's just what you've been doing in school. Is giving them attitude. And I know you, Jason. I know the attitude that you give. Just like you're giving me that fake smile right now. It's so fake right now. Yes, you are. I know you inside and out. And your teacher said that he needs to separate the two of y'all because this is mother end right here.
Me?
This is mother end right here, always telling you what to do. Right? Does Destiny tell you what to do in school?
I don't know, do you? No.
You don't know? Sometimes. Sometimes. Because the two of you sit together in school, in class, right?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Do you help him out a lot?
Not really, no.
Not really. You do your own thing?
Yes.
You're concentrated on bringing up your C?
Yes.
Okay, so for outdoor school, my concern was mainly to stay over for you, young lady, because we've never been away. I've never been away from you. My eyes have never been off of you. And for me, that makes me nervous because you're my responsibility. You're my pride and joy. And I would hate for me to send you off somewhere and something happen. I will never be able to forgive myself. So I'm going to allow you to go under one condition and one condition only. You report back to me every single thing that goes on, whether it be good, bad, or ugly. Anything that goes on whatsoever that's inappropriate, no touching, no nothing, no boys, no any of that. You listen to the adults that are there, and if something happened, what do? Tell a teacher? No, you tell me. You tell me what happened, okay? Because this is the first time. Hey, you're too loud. You're too loud. You're too loud, little toddler. You want something to eat? Yeah. Jason, could you get her some cereal, please?
Sure.
She wants some snack. Here you go. So, what's her name? Which grandmother is going to be the chaperone for the female?
Wednesday.
Yes. So that's who you will be in the care of at nighttime. I'm a bit nervous. I'm still nervous about it. But I think the experience will be good for you. I think you will enjoy that a lot. Right?
Yes.
Yes. How do you feel about going to outdoor school?
I love being outside.
You love being outside, so it won't be... Okay. And the same goes for you. Anything happen, let me know. You hear me? Let me know. All right?
Yeah.
All right. Do we have an agreement?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Mommy, what was this for?
That's for Jaxson. They have camp thing something. Okay, guys. So parent-teacher conference went really well. I have to start dinner. It's like 3 o'clock. I didn't think I was gonna be that late, but I think this time around parent-teacher conference was much more, better. I was able to, for me, I'm not a fan of parent-teacher conference. I'm not a fan of it, but we're having ground beef for dinner. Hubby is on his way home, and I think I'm gonna make meatball and end this vlog and edit. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.